If you're finding the new M2 G87 a bit too mundane in terms of appearance, BMW has already developed a wide array of M-performance spots. These lend the sports coupe a far more aggressive appearance from just about every angle you look. As for the side profile, the black alloy wheels with V-shaped spokes are also an M-performance upgrade, and next to them are carbon fiber flicks attached to both front and rear fenders. Up front, the performance model is easily identifiable by its frameless kidney grille with horizontal double-bar slats. The bumper is also more aggressive in appearance elsewhere. The headlamps are pushed to the edges as they are on the regular G42 and can be had with full LED technology or an optional adaptive LED system. Inside, the M2 comes with a BMW curved display introduced to the G42 as part of rolling update in May this year. The multi-screen setup 12.3-inch instrument cluster display and 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen is powered by BMW operating system 8. To match the sporty front, the rear of the M2 gets a diffuser insert that integrates the exhaust outlets, a spoiler lip, and vertically arranged reflectors set deep into the outer edge of the bumper.